to Know How Pro. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get free YouTube subscribers. If you don't want to buy, you can just use your data to watch some videos, get coin and buy subscribers. You don't have to spend any money. This is the app, uchannel. Let me show you we're using this. This is the app. So you click on the app for it to open. Now this is what I'm telling you. So for this to work, all you have to do is to watch videos. This is it. Now the more you watch videos, the more coin you get, and the more coins you get, you can either use it for subscribe or you can use it for like anyone you want. So now we're going for subscribe for subscribers. You reload. Watch ads and earn coin. That's what we're going to. Now, and all these things is to.
If you don't know what Maka is, Maka is a website that's also really affordable clothes, accessories. I'm talking clothes.
You're going to watch
all ads,
and when it's done watching ads, then it's going to reward you with coin. When it rewards you with coin, then use it to buy your subscribers. Don't worry, I'll show you that. We're going to just have to wait for this ad to finish.
I mean, it doesn't get better than that, does it?
See now, that's finished. Have to wait for it. Alright, it's done. As you can see, we have gotten 10 points. This is it. Gotten 10 points. Now you continue like this. You continue watching videos to get subscribers. Now if you just want views, you come here, you click on views here. Click on views. You can also watch here. You can also watch here. You can also watch videos here and use it to buy your subscribers. Now if you watch videos and the minimum to request for a sub is 2,600 coins, now you come here and click on campaign. Come here and click on campaign. You click on it, add your campaign. Are you going for subscribers, views, or like subscribers? Now make sure you're signed in with your YouTube channel account. You understand? Now I'm just going to wait for this to load. When you sign up for it, then the video you've posted in your channel, copy one link from there, post here. Then I'll show you. This network is really slow. As you can see, this is it. Expected subscribers 10, expected likes 10, expected views 10, runtime 60 seconds, just for 2,600 coins. Yes. Now when you have up to that amount, you click on done. In just 60 seconds you'll see your subscribers there. But if you don't want to watch all these videos and everything, you can just upgrade your account. See, this is the VIP account. You can just upgrade your account. See, you can just upgrade your account, or the easiest way is to buy coins. You can just buy coins. You can just buy coins and use it to do what you want without doing anything. Now this is it. You can just buy coins and save yourself the stress to watch videos and do all these things. You can just buy coins. The cheapest here is to buy coins. Is the easiest. Now let's check what that will do. Now you come here, assuming it's going for 25 coins, 25,000 coins. Now let's say you want 1,000 subscribers. That's 260,000 coins. Let's say you want 400. That's 104,000. You want 200. That's 52,000. Or you want 100. That's 26,000. That's what 25,000 coins can get you. Or if you want 90, okay, it can get you 90,000 coins. Yeah. 90 subscribers, sorry. That's what it can get you. But if you want it big, as you've seen it here, 260,000 can get you 1,000 subscribers. So I don't recommend you buying. If you want to buy, it's at your own risk if you want to buy. Now look at this, 1 million coins just for 38,000. This is just $100. Yes, this is $100. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, this is not up to $100. Yeah, this one now, assuming someone has to buy this. If someone has to buy this, it's not up to $100. You can buy it, but I've not bought any. So now I'm going to leave the invitation link. I'm going to leave the invitation link on my description, under my comment section. So do well to use the link to sign up, and also share to your friends. If you don't have money to buy, when you share to your friends and your friends sign up, you get 1,000 coins for each of their sign up. So thanks for watching this video, and do the necessary if you want to get more subscribers, watch videos, or you buy coins, you can upgrade to premium or share the link. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for more videos.